Okay, I got this stream deck thing. I started to set some of this up here. Oh my word, more buttons to deal with. We'll figure this streaming thing out here eventually. It's been a few years. They've changed a whole lot.
Double delta RTY
and let's see. Oh, look at this. Are we coming into the bottom of a shark here? All right, so definitely want to be watching this one here on RTY. MACV was, yeah, histogram, mostly green. So I do want to dip my toe in the water here. I'm going to get long
order filled
here and see if we can get a break above those dots here. Little half position in small account challenge. We've got green up here
order canceled
into our PRZ. I've got PRZ here. This is level 101 stuff here for us. We got king timings, lots of king timings here. So we could see a push. I'm going to put this out here. One, if I hear buyers, I'll add to my position here. Let's see how we go here.
Harmonic pattern, NASDAQ on the twos.
Order filled.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 24.
Fib dot, NASDAQ on the twos.
Alright, so I need to keep an eye on this MACV. Where is my screen for all four?
Short. Look for a short.
Nope, it's going down, closing it out. Alright, not gonna get any big losses here right off the bat here. Let's see. I see double dots. Oh, this streaming thing is bothering me. How do I get to the four screens? Hold on a second. Arrange all. No, I want to show all. There we go. Okay. So I'm seeing green dots up here, doubles, but they got broken through. I'm hearing sellers on the tape. So first trade here is a loss. Minus 165 on that first one break.
Harmonic NQ on the 5.
Break of the dot. Actually, there was no dot there.
Fib dot.
It was just PRZ. Okay, we've got another opportunity here, potential. I've got a green dot here. Got to make sure it doesn't break. If we push up. Okay, we're pushing up here. I'm going to take a second swing at this one.
Harmonic
Slightly one additional contract. And we're playing the PRZ back of the shark here. Again, I want targets up here into 2241. You guys know the drill. Hopefully you guys can see this all right, as this is
harmonic pattern, NASDAQ on the twos.
44.
Harmonic pattern, NASDAQ on the twos.
Get this stream thing figured out here eventually.
Harmonic NQ on the 2.
Like anything with trading, with our stuff, you still got to use it, right? The tools can be easy. Yeah, I'm saying the streaming buttons are hard or anything. It's just getting used to, right? Just got to do it a bit and it'll become second nature. Okay, white cross here. I would like to add this position, but we're pushing down. I need a blue bar before I can add, but we got a nice cross here for me to add. Well, uh-oh, double cross. Okay. Double cross.
Harmonic NQ on the 2. Fib dot NQ on
it's with a green dot, so I want to see it push up, but I need to get my stops back here behind the double cross.
On the twos.
If it doesn't, let's do a measurement down to know where we're going. Here is our leg. We've got this as an option. This is a little bit of a tricky one because we could have, this could be, this could be a very large move if we're coming from the top. So from the top of this, talk about this one here tonight in the recap, how I'm getting two options down here. If this thing breaks, where it would be going off of this double cross here. But initially, we want double cross with a green dot here. So it acts like a headshot, but a little bit of extra juice behind it. Plus we've got the green shark here. Majority of the histogram is green. Look at these other histograms. Histogram green on the ES, histogram green on YM, and even NQ over here. Looking for that one. Second trade of the morning here. Keep saying the morning. Technically it's afternoon here.
Upper bands touch NQ on the
I really hope the
89.
stream is working today. I'm gonna be very upset if it's not.
Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted.
Okay, I'm hearing sellers. Need to hear buyers, follow it. If not, we need to start reconsidering our options here. I'm gonna give it a little extra
Double
space
delta
here.
NQ on the 2.
There's a PRZ down there we could bounce off of, so I'm gonna put it right back behind that PRZ first. Oftentimes it's gonna do a little bit of a break and then push. I can add back to that
Double
position if
delta
we
on the
go.
1.
Fib dot.
But again, we could have a big potential all the way down there. If we break this, right, king timing, and we break, look at that gold line right there, right? You guys know the drill. If you guys get this, you know, type me down in the comments. You understand our double cross double move. One of our most powerful moves, one of my favorite setups here. Okay. We're breaking this. Okay, so if we're going, oof. Okay, there's a harmonic right there. Hopefully we pop off of that little tiny yellow harmonic.
Double delta NQ on the 9.
If not, I'll be thinking about going the other way.
Harmonic beam on the 1.
I
Harmonic.
can play these both directions.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the 2s.
Technically, we have a J hook going down too. How did I miss that? Entry up there. Okay, so this is a J hook to the short side as well. Okay, good. We bounced off this a little bit. Let's see if we can make anything out of this.
Order filled.
But I'm kind of wanting to get the other
Order
direction
filled.
Harmonic RTY on the 4.
because we've got J hook. I just realized it's J hook. We've broken this. It's no longer a shark play. Broken here, and we've got a double cross.
Fib.RTY on the 1. Upper bands touch NQ on the 24.
Yeah, I'm gonna look to reverse the position as we start to push up this direction. Let me pull this in. I don't think it's going all the way. Okay, Mikey?
Fib.NQ on the 2.
And are we gonna go? In a bit of delta here.
Long.
Technically we've been red, so this is the biggest green delta we've seen in a while, so we might get this shift up a little bit. Let's see if we can touch inside here a little bit. But I'm ready to turn this double cross. You guys see my thinking here on this. I think I want to get short with this. Yeah, I'm hearing sellers.
Fib dot. Nasdaq.
Okay, we
on
got a
the 2s.
green dot. We'll see. We'll see if it goes, but I really want to I want to kind of bail on this position. All right, we got a PRZ up in here. I'll see if we can get into this PRZ, and then I'll be happy with it. But
Order filled.
this double cross, double move here. This back
Harmonic
behind
pattern.
here too much.
Nasdaq on the 2s.
All right, yeah, we're not even getting in there. I'm closing it.
Order filled. Order filled.
Technically trade two small losers here. I'm hearing sellers. I'm gonna flip this the other way. I think we're going down. Mike, are you okay, bud? Can you go see mommy and let me finish this out so we can keep a little bit quiet?
Double delta NQ on the 5.
All right, so that is a juicy target down there.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 2s.
I'm gonna kick myself. Actually, let me put this back behind that PRZ. A little more risk here
on the 1.
on this, but I have pretty strong, significant feeling here when we've got histogram coming red. We got this red dot here. This is broken through. That shark is no longer in play. We broke it. There was no dot back behind here to push it up and in, so it's not a shark tail. Right? The shark back is broken. Pushing down. We'll listen for sellers. If we get sellers, here comes king timing. This beautiful setup right here off of the double cross. You know, it originally had that green dot. It wasn't right on it. Pretty close. We got 2 green dots here, but if this breaks,
Harmonic pattern.
we're gone.
NASDAQ on the 2s.
We're on king timing. I'm hearing sellers. Give me some more. I want more than that. I'm gonna get bigger than this.
Harmonic NQ on the 2. Upper bands touch NQ on the 24.
Our correlated markets, YM is starting to turn red up there. If you see YM at the top left, noticing that. All right, we're getting some speed on it as well. Hopefully we don't get faked out on this. Hearing the sellers come in at the bottom here. If we break that bottom and I hear them step in, I'll add to position farther. And we really want to ride this all the way out. I'm gonna put this one out to the secondary gold line that we can draw in the event that this gets that whole leg. And we could be the entire leg doubling that, or the shortest distance is this first one. That was why I did those 2 measurements. I got 2 options here for targets.
Look for
Double delta NQ on the 2.
I could get a third. I should technically measure from that one. There's kind of this double cross move up here. To there, that's to here, so it's probably more from here. Yeah, actually, I think this first one is pretty solid. From the measurement here to there, that's going to be the double cross, double move straight to that gold line.
order submitted.
I'm hearing sellers step in there. I'm going to try to maximize this position here. I'm at 7 contracts. That's $3,500. And again, we've grown our account. I should have said starting balance. What's our starting balance here this morning?
Double delta RT.
Our starting balance today was it's moving right now. Currently at 4,800, but that's because I took a couple losses. So I think we're at 5,100. I'll try to come back and look at it.
Order filled.
I don't remember. Okay, let's focus on the trade here. Okay, we've got a cross right here. I need to take some off right here. All right, we're gonna right inside this cross, take some off.
Filled. Target.
You break through that cross, I can always add back to the position, but they're okay. Red dot, add back. I'm putting it back. Red dot coming in.
Order filled. Order
now it's a headshot, so adding 2 here.
Order canceled.
Let's see if we can push.
Let's
get our targets in the proper location. Push these out. Again, main thing I'm looking for is getting to that gold line. Now I've got the headshot. And look at all this space over here to king timing. You see this? Look how much space. We probably need to
double delta RTY on the 1.
5. In the main there. There we go. All right. Use the stream deck there to press the new binded key here. We'll see if that helps. Okay, here we go, baby. Here we go.
Upper bands
go for it
on the 24.
I'm hearing sellers. I'm going to add to position. Right as I add.
Delta by Delta.
All right, I believe I'm currently at my max. No, I got 5K to work with here. So good. Okay, you guys should be able to see. Oops. So keep an eye on MACD and deltas on the higher time frame. And let's see if we keep going. We've got lots of space over here. Get that. Which one is the goal?
Upper bands touch.
There's a target 3 here. Wait a minute. Hold line. On the J hook? That mile. Either, okay, this is either one. We're still good here. We've got, we've got another cross. Hold on. Nope, taking
target
some off here.
Filled. Order canceled. Order filled.
So we're at least getting this one. I don't know if we're going to get to this one. I think this is pretty solid though. We've got J-hook target 3. We went straight to target 1. So what happens when you go straight to target 1? Target 2 and target 3 becomes more likely. And we've got that double cross, double move. But this is the full measurement. I just realized the short one was up here, which we got to. I couldn't even tell because this is laid on top of each other. It's too thick. See that? Yeah, that was the target right there. I messed that up. That's the gold line right there. This is the secondary larger one from the J-hook And here's my big one from this pivot measurement on the double cross double move. So that's from here to here is here to here. Okay, and that's pretty close. You know, we've got this zone here to target 3 on the J hook. I may be asking too much of this trade. We'll see. Break it. Come on, give me that drop.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 24th.
I'm gonna take another one off here.
Target filled. Order filled.
5 contracts. It's still gonna be a good play if we get there. If not, again, I don't wanna
Order submitted.
stop sync. I'm gonna put this stop back here. I'm gonna put it right on this white cross. We start breaking above that white cross zone, then something else is going on here. Here in sellers. I want to hear it. I'm gonna need some aggressiveness though for that to go.
Nasdaq, fib dot. Nasdaq on the Tuesday.
Get there. King line. I'm gonna take one off here
Target
at the
filled.
king line. I'm gonna take 2 off here at the king line.
Fib dot EM on the 1.
Good turn here. Oh, yep. Okay. Turning on the king line. Finger over the
Lower
close
bands
here.
touch RTY on the 24th.
Delta Vi building.
We should be able to get all the way to old line here. Let's see if we go.
Upper bands touch RTY on the 89. Lower bands touch NQ on the 24.
Push it.
Fib dot.
The end of
Nasdaq
the
on the
J
5.
hook.
Double delta
Pretty
NQ on
darn.
the
I mean,
2.
we could potentially get all the way to here. So I want you want to keep this in mind. If I get some setup in here, you know, I want to play it out all the way
Order filled. Order
if we
filled.
can. What you gonna do here?
Lower bands touch NQ on the 24.
All right, I'm gonna squeeze in. I'm gonna squeeze in my stops here and put it right back behind
Fib
here.
dot. Nasdaq on the
Not gonna risk too much here. To get stopped out here. Got my stops back behind the white cross. Again, want to see this push.
Fib dot NQ on the 2.
That gold
Lower
spot
bands
here. Got
touch
your
and
finger
double
over
delta
itself.
RTY
Get a
on the
red
1.
dot. Give me a red dot. Give me a some
Harmonic
other
NQ
symbol
on the
here
2.
to get short. I see no. I don't see a follow-up from this previous little push on a delta that basically said, hey, we're not turning up here, so we would need another one really for this to get going.
Order filled. Order filled.
Come on, push it. My finger over the close if we hesitate around that line. Okay, we've got a PRZ right there. Oof. To grab this in the event of.
Fib dot. Nasdaq
Oh,
on
green
the
dot. Okay.
Target
I'm
filled.
just gonna leave one runner here.
Order
This could. That could signal the
order
end here.
canceled for a long.
You know what? I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna take the whole thing. I'm gonna take it. We're at
Order
1,000
filled.
P&L.
Fib dot
Oh
E on the
yes. Okay.
Order
We'll
filled.
take.
Fib dot
We'll take
RTY
that.
on the
Trade
1.
3. You're down
Order canceled.
about
Order
300,
submitted.
350 or so. So it's about a
Fib dot
$1,300
NQ on the
play.
9.
Get to 1K here. Not too bad. Not too bad. We're on trade number 3. Okay, so the must have started today. So I'm at 62, 65 in my account right now, which means we started out.
Order filled.
You guys can help me out with the math. All right, so for now we started out in our $2,500 account. On our small account, we must have started today at 52.
Lower bands touch RTY on the 4.
Order
There's some
filled.
commissions pulled
Fib
out
dot NQ on the 2.
or so.
Fib dot.
I'll look
Nasdaq
at
on
the actual history stats later tonight here on our recap video.
Fib
So
dot.
potentially I
Nasdaq
could
on
trade
the 5.
NASDAQ now, right? Does everybody get that? Like now, NASDAQ should be potentially on the, oh, we got the moon showing up here. All right, let's look to see what we can do here. We got a green dot coming in here up the tops here. I'm gonna get long here. Green dot, potential opportunity here.
Order filled.
Got multi-dot. This is not just single dot, right? We've got, I'm seeing this. I need to, what's the back of this? This is, I want to stay inside that one. 22.
Fib dot.
334.
NASDAQ on the 2s.
Harmonic NQ on the 2. Fib.RTY on the 1. Fib.EM on the 1.
Okay, well that's actually, that matches up. Doesn't look like it, but it is. Oh no,
Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ on the
I'm like,
2s.
wait, that doesn't look right. Sleep deprived. So that at 3.1s. Yikes. Red dot. Okay, I need to take off part.
Harmonic NQ on the 2.
That's right where I'm entering. Yikes.
Fib dot. NASDAQ on the 2s. Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ on the short. Look for short.
Nope, closing it. Closing it. Closing it. Alright, alright. I gave some of that up. Did not need to. Yikes. Back to back, green to green, or green to reds. Let's watch this spot here. We got the moon telling us this could be something. Okay, so I was trying to focus on this. This is why it's difficult for me to stream and think through all this stuff at the same time. So let me click over here on show all. Alright, but NASDAQ should be on the table, right? Why is NASDAQ now on the table? Because I'm over 5K, right? Technically speaking, I can trade 5 contracts on NQ. But my issue mentally is that I can trade additional size on my other instruments, but I'm over here going to be thinking, oh, I can only get NQ 4, right? I've been able to do 7 contracts. I've gotten up to 7 contracts on RTY today. I don't think I went more than that. I think it was 7. Oh, we got a blue dot. I got to give this another shot. I got to at least give it another
order filled.
Hoorah try here. Now we are getting a second shot here with a blue dot into our zone right here. Even if I'm going to take some off here at the top here at this red dot line, again, we might be, I think we're going to accumulate here a little bit. So I'm going to try to play this little accumulation zone. Stop right behind the blue dot. Again, if the blue dot doesn't hold, I'm not going to be, we try to be a superhero here.
Fib dot. NASDAQ
oh,
on the
blue
2s.
Okay, double dot, add to position.
NASDAQ on the 2s.
Let's see.
Fib dot.
Long.
Okay, yikes. And followed by a red dot. Are you joking me? But this is blue here. Blue to red.
Harmonic NQ on
Right
the 2.
behind the blue dot.
Harmonic
The
NQ
break of
on the
this,
2.
this is a double dot against
Harmonic
the red.
NQ
This
on
would be
the 2.
fantastic if that breaks, because if the red dot breaks, we could see some significant upside. I am seeing the start of some larger delta. There's a buildup of delta right there.
Order canceled.
I've got green on the high time frame. We've got the signal that this should be a zone where we're going to accumulate. Here we go. Come on, break it.
Order
Break
filled.
it. Yep, I'm going to add to position here.
Order
Try to
filled.
maximize what we're doing here. Let's go. Push it up and out of there. And really just, I want to play this zone, right? I'm fine with just playing this zone. I don't know that this is going to go up here, but I've just got this one out here in case this whole thing just breaks and goes. Okay, fantastic. I'll take a runner. But I really just want to play into this little zone, try to get some accumulation right here. Why? This is my symbol that we're probably going to accumulate here. Okay? We've been seeing no
Order filled.
Um,
Order filled.
no Flowmaster moons, or technically it's the same thing as the crosses. Technically the highest time frame of our algo bar gives us a signal that we can do. This should be a zone. Now again, if it breaks this, okay, then I'm wrong. And then if we're just breaking down, I would be very surprised if this just goes straight shot down. Probably got some opportunities to wiggle our way out. Yeah, this is our 4th trade.
J-hook long NQ on the 2.
Here of the session. We are about 33 minutes in.
J-hook short EM on the 1.
Alright, put them right there.
Order
And we should just work this zone. Okay, we got a PRZ here. Inside the PRZ.
Fib dot. Nasdaq
Yikes.
on the 5.
Oh, could get stopped out here.
Nasdaq.
Don't do it. Don't you do it. Oh, there's a little PRZ hump right there. Hold it. I need to give it a little. I don't know if this is smart. I'm putting it right back behind. I see
Harmonic EM on the 1.
a PRZ right there. Okay, if we push down here again, I'm expecting this to be. Only reason I'm doing this, folks, this is like an experience call here. We should be accumulating here before we go down. Again, if we go down at, you know, it is what it is. But
on the 1.
typically we're going to accumulate first, and we have just not had enough,
Fib dot. Nasdaq on
in
the
my
2.
opinion, to really push again. Got double dots here. Red there. These should be playing back and forth. Yikes. Could be wrong here. Stay inside. Little moon, come on.
order filled.
Harmonic EM on the 3. NQ on the 5.
That is a very
Fib
big
dot.
leg. You
Nasdaq
can't see.
on the wave.
We'll talk about it here in a minute. I just don't think it could keep pushing. That's a big
Delta.
leg. You need a bigger accumulation zone than that. There we go. All right, I'm hearing the buyers step up. There's a nice solid
Harmonic pattern.
keep
Nasdaq
coming in
on the
there.
2.
Push me up here.
Fib
Let's
dot.
make this
Nasdaq
zone.
on the
I'm gonna
2s.
lock this in now. Now, if it breaks
Fib
again,
dot
okay,
NQ
good
on
thing's
the
coming down.
24.
But I'm gonna leave that right
NQ
there.
on the 89.
Locking it in. Just trying to play this zone right now.
Order
PRZ target went away.
Harmonic
Come
NQ
on,
on the
come
2.
on. Give me, there's king timing there and a couple bars. There, green dot, adding to position.
Delta cell building.
order
Go, go. Go, go, go. Come on, oh, come on. Do not turn right in front of my target. Are you kidding me? I'm hearing buyers. Let's go. I see NQ taking off. Come on, RTY.
DCDM NQ on the 2. Upper bands touch NQ on the 24 on the 2. Upper bands touch
you gotta have
NQ on
one
the
more barbecue.
24. Lower bands down NQ on the 24 on the 24.
Come on.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 24.
target filled.
Excellent. Finger of the close. Start to turn down. If I get a red dot, I gotta close the position.
Target filled.
Excellent. There we go. PRZ target there. Maybe
Harmonic
push.
pattern.
Maybe got
Nasdaq
another little
on the
bit. Got
2s.
my finger over the close here.
Target filled. Target filled.
All right, closing out right there.
Harmonic pattern.
Okay.
Nasdaq on the 2s.
Trade 4.
Fib
Do
dot. Nasdaq on the 2s.
too much damage there. Maybe about 300 bucks out of that one.
Order filled.
Harmonic NQ on the 2.
We're at 200. I'm sorry, 200. We were at 1,080.
Nasdaq
We're at
on the 2s.
1,280. 1,000 bucks there. I do have commissions set. So commissions. This
Fib
should
dot.
include
Nasdaq on the
taking out
2s.
commissions. This is actually after.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq
Oh, wait, is-
on the 2s.
Wait a minute. Nope, I'm wrong. I apologize. No, that's why I wanted to double check that. No, that number. So after commissions right now, I'm at 1175. So there's $100 in commissions. Have not been taken out here. This is pre-commission. So basically, I still have to take out commissions
Double Delta
after this. I
RTY on
can't
the 4.
rely on this. Oh, I don't know if you guys see that. Okay, hold on. Let me press this button. Main. There we go. 1280. How do I go back to all charts? I
bands
need to
touch
bind. I don't
NQ
have
on the
it bind here.
24.
Go on. Okay. Well, this went farther than I expected it to. This can't be a 15. Right here in this red.
long.
VIP.NQ on the 2.
There's a shark on the YM. I've got one more trade for 5 trades. Make it 5 trades here. We'll make it a good one.
Harmonic pattern, Nasdaq on the 2.
VIP.NQ on the 2.
Wow, this one a lot farther. Okay, I don't know why I just now noticed that a blue dot showed up here. Did you guys catch that? Did I just miss that? Did I whiff on this? Pretty sure I whiffed on that. There was even a better opportunity there. I didn't see that a blue dot had also come in here on the 5. So you got a double dot coming in on the 5. So, you know, could have known that was a little bit farther. But again, I'm just looking for accumulation zone there. I didn't know this was going to full turn here.
VIP dot.
But
Nasdaq
you know, I thought it was going to accumulate. That's a pretty big move up and out of there. So let's see what we're getting here. MACD, histogram on our 2 primaries right now, RTY and YM, both red. ES still green, though, which is the big daddy. Keeping that in mind.
Harmonic NQ on the 2.
Let's push up right there. Holy cow! I should have left the runner.
Double delta.
I'm gonna kick myself a little bit on that one, but that was hard. That was speed. If there had been more speed, it would have been easier for me. Especially that right there could have probably given me a better idea. We got the delta shift coming in, the little green dot right there, right on king. Yeah, see, it's not even just king. That's a king crossover timing. King plus a small timing of the new, and then king to king distribution there. Very nice.
Harmonic pattern,
Okay.
Nasdaq VIP dot. Nasdaq on
4
the
trades
5.
in before our 5th trade. So, final trade, what's our time?
Harmonic NQ
Right at a
on the
half
2.
hour. Perfect. So we are 4 trades in, right at a half hour.
Delta cell building.
Something.
Harmonic NQ on the 2. Upper
Something
band
harmonic.
NQ on the
Order
89.
cancelled.
I'm gonna try not to look at NQ.
Upper bands
NQ
touch
is
NQ
on a
the
tear.
24.
Oops, let me get a show all so you guys can see all that.
Upper
So
bands
NQ, look at
touch
NQ
ES
over
on the
here.
24.
Okay, look, she's on a beast. I'm looking forward to bringing her back in the pie. Depending on how we close out the day, I don't want to super jump it, but tomorrow's Friday. Yeah, you know what? We'll shoot for Friday. Tomorrow, if I don't just knocking on wood here. If I don't screw the pooch here on my final trade. Technically, I could have 2 trades, right? Depending on how I do on my 5th trade and how much time is left on my 60-minute timer here.
VIP dot. Nasdaq
I could
on
get
the
a
2.
bonus trade. So technically, right? I got 2 trades, 2 bullets in the gun. I could
VIP
still
dot.
use here
Nasdaq
for
on
my
the
1-hour
5.
session. I want to count my chickens before they hatch here. But if all goes well,
VIP.EM on the 3.
Friday I'll look to incorporate NQ tomorrow. I'll put
VIP dot.
NQ on the
Nasdaq
menu
on the
as well.
2.
YM high time frame. You know what? I didn't mention that before. Let's go up to
Harmonic EM on the 1.
top left. So YM right there in the golden ropes. RTY right there in the golden ropes. ES doing its little move up, but it's poised and ready to come down to that golden rope. You guys see that on the
VIP.NQ on the
ES
2.
here. All right, this is the highest time frame wave. If that starts to go down, I mean that's a 200 tick drop just to touch top golden rope, and it could definitely happen. We're approaching the king timing. Maybe it hovers up here and then does it overnight. You know, the overnight drop. You know, all this happened overnight, and so, you know, I've seen this historically. Things will, you know, it's like basically they give no opportunity to do it intraday traders, and so then they'd make the move overnight. You know, I'm not a proponent of telling people, hey, stay up late to chase this kind of stuff. Although I saw some of our members crushing it, our Australian members and
Nasdaq on the
our folks overseas had great opportunities. And I saw some folks trading those overnight with the volatility and movement last night. Again, this does not happen all the time. I don't recommend you guys do that, but right now, this is post FOMC. And I've told you guys, if you are going to trade after hours, what are the things I tell you? It's going to be on an FOMC day. It's going to be on a Wednesday, which happens to be Wednesday, right? Happens to be. I mean, it ain't happens to me.
Harmonic NQ on the 2.
You said this is exactly when you're going to want to get those overnight. All right, I'm gabbing on and on. This is what I do when I get in live streams. Why I
Harmonic
don't
pattern.
like live
Nasdaq
stream, because I'm
on the
really
2.
not concentrating on my trading.
Lower
Okay,
bands touching on the 24.
Got here. YM, HMD. Short up here. Can I go to show all, please? Yes, alright, yeah. Yeah, I gotta get that
NQ
down.
on the 2. RTY on the 1.
Quantity 1 right now. Okay, still small account stuff here.
Fib.NQ on the 2.
It didn't quite get in there, but it kind of looks like you could qualify this as an HMD. Right, you got the PRZ right there. We got a red dot here. Keep that in mind on the 5s. Technically, we had a red dot here on this one, so kind of kicking myself for not getting involved in that. I could have toe in the water here on that trade. Although, you know what, we're on a 5th trade, right? Like, let's just wait for a beast, right? Like, we want a great trade here, final trade, set up, see how far we can push. Set up. Okay, green coming in. Do we have anything else? I don't want to just take a dot by itself. That is technically a king dot. Delta
NQ on the 5.
prior. I'm gonna leave that one be for now. Okay, I want a great trade here. My 5th trade. Let's just be patient. Oh, we got another blue dot here on RTY. One.
Fib.RTY on the 1.
I got my finger over the buy here. Let's see if we're going to get any follow through with that. Here comes king. Here comes large timing. See if we get a turn. Wait for this bar right here.
Dot. Nasdaq on the 5s.
Oh, wow, never mind. Red dot. Nope. Okay, nope. Glad we held a little bit to wait. Red dot just showed up right there, right behind the blue. So, you know, less of a. Again, we just want a great trade setup right here. Just gonna wait for it. Okay, wait for a great trade setup. Wait for a great strategy entry, and you know, and we'll take it.
Order filled.
Harmonic RTY on the 1.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 5s.
Okay, green dot coming in here now. I'm hearing buyers. We're not in large timing. Hold on, here comes king timing. Wait for it. This looks like it needs a little more accumulation zone than that to go.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the 2s.
See if we can get something just right. I want, on my 5s, I want to be in large king and after the king here. So maybe let's see what lays out here. And looks like maybe 3 or 4 bars on the 5s.
Order filled.
Kind of kicking myself for not taking a little stab at YM there, but again, it's 5th trade, so I'm trying to be really specific here, right? We're still trying to do this small account challenge. And I'll be honest, like I want to smash some Ross. You know what I'm saying? Like we want to smash this thing out of the park. That's our absolute best foot forward. If I have my larger account, yeah, I might dabble in some of these.
Nasdaq on the 2s.
But right now, I want to be very specific, and let's just wait for our best setups, and let's hit them. Plenty of time. YM's coming up on king timing on the 5s, so we'll keep an eye on the YM as well. The way that it's laying out here, could be accumulation zone, which is Great. Again, we can play both sides of this zone. See a PRZ up top here, that one we were looking at before, plus this PRZ here. So if we get to this spot up here, 34.33, take this spot up here.
Order filled.
Or short, histogram is red, everything here on the MACV already telling us we're looking for shorts, right? And we got the red dot here, so we're only looking for shorts here on YM. We're going to get that.
NQ on the 5, harmonic
and
NQ on the 2.
RTY, not quite turned yet. Histogram is red, technically. I would want to see this go red first before we're really just, you know, on a solid red kick here. We did have that long position here, but again, I really want to see this. I was surprised by this bounce right out of the moon. This is going to be an accumulation first, but man, she just shot right back up out of here. So is this going to create a larger accumulation zone? No, I don't know. We're just gonna, we don't have to anticipate. We can just react. So all you need to do is decide my direction. So on RTY right now, we're mixed. I'd love a shot on the YM, right? YM is clear. You guys see how like I'm deciding on that? Just look right here. This is much more clear. On YM, I am red, okay? I got red dot. I got red section from right where past the gray on the red. The shift was back here. Solid red here in our histogram, okay? So I'm red here. I got red dot up here, right? So again, I want to get me a nice entry on a YM short. NQ, I'm sorry, RTY. Little less information. A little bit more mixed, and this is my 5th trade. Now, if this wasn't my 5th trade, okay, yeah, it's different, right? I can do some other things, but I want to maximize that final trade here on our 5 trade setup. I'm kind of thinking here.
Short on the RTY one
objective, right?
Order filled. Order.
Let's say I don't get a trade. If no great trades at 1280, not a bad day. But we play the video game, right? It's either 60 minutes or 5 trades. You don't stop. This is actually, I'm gonna harp on this for a minute. I still see some of our members being like, oh, I hit my daily goal, I'm quitting. Okay, like that's dangerous. Okay, I would still be going, okay, you hit your daily goal, fantastic, feel good where you're at, be comfortable waiting, but dude, at least play the 60 to 90 minutes, right? At least 60 minutes. If you're bailing out before 60 minutes though, and you're gonna be missing out. You're gonna, you could get some of that bonus and push forward to make up for any days that, hey, or maybe you're not super easy. So don't just hit a daily goal P&L wise. That's a loser's game. A lot of people do that. They think it's right. That's why you shouldn't do it. It's as simple as that. 95% of traders fail, and I'm sure 95% of traders think that that's a good idea to do because it sounds right. Okay, I'm up here gabbing away, and we're finally kind of getting a little bit of a move to the short side. So that green dot broke. Double dot here has not broken on the 5s. Really want to see these two agree. Give me a perfect setup, right? I want a setup here for my final trade.
MES on the 1.
King timing on the YM. Give me a red setup on YM. I will get short. Okay, I'm ready for a short here on the YM. Just got my finger off the trigger, but I need an entry, right? Not just diving in here. Lost our music here. Timing, but again, it feels like that even this should be probably accumulate a little bit farther out than that. I'd love to see this push up here into this PRZ. I would definitely take a swing at it if we punched into this PRZ, because then I got PRZ, red dot behind it, all this is red. If it went up, oh look at this, there's a PRZ up here too. So if we punch up into this zone, right, now I can qualify this as an HMD zone short. Look at that target down there. Right, would love to see, I'm like waving my mouse around. Right, here's what we're talking about. This turning into red PRZ. We enter and look at that green, juicy target. Wouldn't that be beautiful? You see what I'm saying about, like, wouldn't that be an awesome 5th trade right there?
Fib.NQ on the 5.
Yeah, and you see that PRZ right there. Okay, so, and it's after king timing for this to come and do something like this. Oh, that'd be epic. NQ is starting to look like some clownfish area over here. Christmas.
Fib.rty on the 1.
And it's still green. Yes, still green. This is so. Can everybody feel that this is slow? Right. This is not.
NASDAQ
This is not
on the
easy
5s.
speed. Oh, okay.
Fib dot.
Red dot
NASDAQ on the
RTY.
MACD.
Red dot on the high time frame. Okay. If this were red, I'd be going. I don't know if I'd say I'd all in, but I think it would be. This is a potential great opportunity here. There's a target PRZ, and I'm way behind it now to get in on this. But fifth trade. Let's see if we can get something juicy.
Fib.rty on the 1.
Okay, double cross, double move. I'm definitely gonna. This is gonna be my fifth trade, man. I'll put my money on double cross, double moves any day. Okay, I need, okay, so there is a PRZ target there. I need a measurement, Oh man, oh, get out of there, pull it back. Okay, hold on, I don't know where this is gonna go. First, I need a measurement. But I need to remove all these drawing objects. It's such a mess here. Remove.
Enigma short on the NQ2.
Now I can see clearly. Last time we had a little bit of a problem with that. We've got two pivots we could use here.
On the 2.
Okay, there's one.
Harmonic RTY on the 1.
Harmonic pattern.
If we need a runner, oh look at that. Okay, well I'm just gonna leave them right there. That's what we want. We're going. I'm gonna add to position. I am hearing sellers step in. Stop back here behind the crosses. I'm not going to leave him there. I'll close out before now because this play is going to come back. At this point,
Harmonic pattern.
on the 5.
NASDAQ on the 2.
Order filled.
Fib.NQ on the 2. Double delta RTY on the 1.
Alright, we're going to go. We're going to push it. Let's go. Okay, I see a PRZ down there. Oh, we disappeared. I saw PRZ down here, but it broke. Okay, there's the king timing. I see king timing down there. So we'll take some here on the gold line. Oh, gonna turn. Nope. I'm not gonna be silly. Okay, we've got a gold line right there. There's that PRZ. She's going back up. Here's king timing. Oh, finger over the close.
Fib dot. NASDAQ on the 5s.
If we bounce right here, I'll close it, right? I'm gonna close. Come right back to my point of entry. Alright. Hardly a superhero. Alright, fifth trade. Where are we? 1665. 5 trades in. Double cross, double move. We got to gold line 1. Didn't quite get to the second one. I saw that PRZ down. I thought we would be able to push it, but you know, not
Fib dot.
worth the risk
NASDAQ on
here.
the 2s.
RTY is now turning red along with us. Oh, red dot. Okay, this will be my bonus trade. If this works, fantastic. If it doesn't, what am I going to risk? So
Fib.NQ
here,
on the 2.
let's see.
Fib dot. NASDAQ
We can go
on
bonus
the 2s.
trade.
Order filled.
Get this back behind the red dot here. 6th trade, 6th and final trade. Here we go. Crank up the music. I don't like the Airwolf is on. Airwolf is a lift.
Fib dot.
Go. Get there. Get there.
CDMNQ on the 2.
I'm gonna push one out.
Finger RTY on the 24.
Oh, we're gonna accumulate there. Come on, break it. Break it.
DCDMNQ on the 2.
I don't really even have a target to do this. I'm gonna pull these out.
Fib dot.
Oh
Nasdaq
shoot!
on the
Right as I do that, I'm like, I'm gonna wait for a green. Okay, well there's my green. Oh, don't wreck me! Come on now.
Fib dot.
That's
Nasdaq
technically a
on
delta
the
dot. This might wreck me here.
Fib dot
Not really
on
wreck
the
me, but
1.
you know what I'm saying. I may not get what I wanted there.
Target filled.
Okay, and we get it, and come on into that green dot.
Target filled. Target
Come on.
filled.
Come on. Right on king. Come on, there's king timing. Oh, she's gonna push up. Up, up. Come on, just drop on that
Fib
king.
dot.
Drop on that king
Nasdaq
timing. Just
on the-
drop. Drop, drop. Okay, here we go. Sellers coming, coming. There we go. There we go.
Harmonic pattern.
Go.
Nasdaq.
Alright, I'll take it right there. Oh, yes! How come I didn't make the little target field sound? Oh,
Harmonic
man.
NQ on the 2.
Oh, we didn't get to 2K! So close to 2K!
RTY
Oh,
Delta RTY.
that's all good. There is the 6th and final bonus trade.
Harmonic pattern.
Again,
Nasdaq
this is
on
why
the
we have that
Tuesday.
vision board,
Convergence
folks.
scheme on
Easy,
the
right? I mean, that was a little bit of time for me to try to, you know, figure out what trade I'm on or thinking about it. That's this vision boarding tool. Again, I know it seems so simple, but it is so effective.
Harmonic
If you
pattern.
go and study any kind of vision
Nasdaq on
boarding
the
stuff, I think it plays a lot into that in the psychology part as well. Tracking it for you, all that good stuff. Oh, okay.
Harmonic NQ on
Are we
the
right?
2.
Oh,
NQ on
right
the 2.
at. Where's that? So did we break that? Oh, let's scroll in here. Did we break the moon?
Fib dot. Nasdaq.
Yeah,
on
see,
the
I was
Tuesday.
wondering. I thought we were going to accumulate here. And we're back in it. I'm surprised that it didn't stop right here and accumulate some more, honestly. So, is this going to come all the way down to the PRZ that we were looking at from there on the YM? Let's see if YM would have been a better play.
Harmonic pattern.
Show you
Nasdaq
guys, show
on the
all.
Tuesday.
So, remember before, oh, yeah, so it didn't get up here. That PRZ ended up disappearing. But remember that PRZ target down there? So, YM could have some more
Harmonic
legs to
NQ
it.
on the 2.
Oh, do I chase 2,500? I'm sorry, do I chase 25 bucks? We're at 1975. I want to so bad, but you know what's going to happen as soon as I do it. No, I'm not going to do it. I am going to be disciplined. I've got 9 minutes. But what are our rules? Let's talk about that. I'm gonna pull my arms back from my
Enigma
from
long
my
on the
station here
RTY1.
and. Let's see, does my little video thing? Got my little video thing.
Order filled. Order filled.
So, 60 minutes or 5 trades, right? In general. Again, we don't really count the 6 trades, so I don't want people like, well, technically you do 6 trades. Okay, remember that is a bonus trade if you've got time on the clock, if you're ahead in your P&L, or even if you're behind in your P&L, but you get an absolutely perfect
Lower
setup.
bands
Look, you
touching
can take
on the
that bonus, try to
24.
get yourself into positive territory. Look at that YM going all the way down there. I don't know why that PRZ target disappeared, but look at that. See what I'm talking about here? See how the PRZ target? I believe it was down there, right? See it on the 5s, still there. Not sure why that removed it there.
Fib
Oh,
dot.
maybe because it's
Nasdaq
calculated
on the
500
way.
bars. I can only go 500. Oh, so that means this is a very big. That was a big PRZ. So this is a disadvantage of having to deal with that 500 bars thing. I hope NinjaTrader fixes that limitation soon, because if we had more than 500 bars to calculate that PRZ target, again, that would be a very big one. A little bit of annoyance, but again, that's why we have multiple time frame stuff. We can still see it come in right here.
Double delta
Actually, no, this is a different one. That's a diamond. Never mind. All right. Because obviously it can't be this one, right? That's a very small PRZ. This is a very large one, going back more than 500 bars to get the end of that PRZ shape. So, okay, talking it through. What do we got? We got a few minutes here. till we got 7 minutes. 7 minutes till I'm done with my hour, right? Started right there at the top of the hour. We're coming in 7 minutes to the bottom of the hour, or the start of the first video, which we look at it half empty or half full.
Lower bands touch
And
RTY
let's look
on the
at
24.
some stats, and we'll just stay there. That'll keep me from
Pip.NQ on
smashing the
the
buttons. I see a double cross, double move down. You know what? This is a great example. Like, I probably would have taken a shot at this double cross right here. Although if I think about it, we already just had a great one, right? This is probably the end of that section. Okay, but I might have been tempted to take that short right there and would have lost, right? You see that?
Cancel.
Yeah. Anyway, like basically, my decision fatigue is set in. I'm sitting there making these decisions there, and even stream, I feel like, is probably sapping even more out of me. Can you guys hear me all right? Let me see if my audio volume might be too loud. I think I just had it cranked up from the last trade, getting excited about it. We exited on that green dot. Let's see, we could have gotten a little bit more out of it, looks like, but you know, that's a good exit. So double cross right there, I probably would have tried in, and again, like, I don't have additional trades. See, this is the thing, like, even if you're like, oh well, you know, you could have taken a second one, but now you're pushing into the 7th trade, you're pushing into an 8th trade. Again, these are the things that you don't want to do, because if you end on a loss too, like, there's some psychology behind ending on a loser, all those types of things too, right? So now again, what happens if your bonus trade loses? Well, you know, that can happen, right? But that's the whole point of it, is like, okay, you're gonna give it one last shot. You got to put yourself in the mental mentality of going, okay, I'm gonna risk X, right? I'm gonna risk a little bit, you know, and at this point I'm up 19.75. Like, I would have been willing to risk, you know, 400, 500 bucks, because that's still, still a decent day, right? 1,400, 1,500 for